Hi, my name is William Fisher. Today we're going to show you how to create file associations. Microsoft has the ability to open other file types for your use. Okay, we have a file called association.txt and we're going to look at it. We're looking at it now. You see that it has content in it. It's a text file. So we go into Office button, Default Programs, Associate File Type, and we're looking for a file type extension of text. So we find that first and we see that it's already set up to Notepad. We select that, go up to Change Programs, and we're just going to go to Browse at this point. We're finding the Excel program in the Microsoft Office folder. We're selecting Excel, and then we have an option that we can select called Microsoft Office Excel. We select that, we say OK, and the file association occurred. Now we can go back to our file and we can see that it'll load in Microsoft Excel.